Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. Video, we will see how to create a linked list using a specific create function. For that, we will start from the first point, that is, we will declare the header file, that is the hash include stdio.h. Then we will create a node of a linked list, that is typedef struct node in bracket integer data and struct node star next. These are the two parts, means first is for data and second is for the next element, and we will complete it and declare one variable like node. This is the node part. Now we have to convert the same procedure as we had seen in the previous some videos to create a linked list in a plain manner, but we have to convert it into only a programming terms. So we will create one function. As it is a node structure, we will take a return type of it as a node. Then it is nothing but a pointer mechanism, means it is handling only the addresses of different data elements. We will declare it as a star and then write a function name, that is a create, and in bracket we will specify a parameter, means number of nodes for creation as a integer. Now we will complete first the main part, that is the void main, and then try to develop the definition of a create function. Now here we will take the void main as a starting point of our program. Then as we know that we have to create one head node for the list, so we will declare it as a node star head. Then we will have to ask to the user about the number of nodes it wants to create in a linked list, so we will take it as an integer n. Then first of all we ask user for number of items, means through printf scanf mechanism enter number of nodes. Then by scanf we will ask or accept the number of nodes, means here we had received the number of nodes. Now initially any list would be a blank list, so we will initialize head node to the null node for garbage avoidance. And then why we had created it as a null, but because we have to call the create function in this head node, so we had created it as a null. Now we will call here the head create function, that is we will have to copy this into one variable, so we taken it as a head node. Then we will call the function name and number of parameters, that is the we have to create n number of parameters having the starting node as a head, and we are completing here the main section. Now we will switch to the actual part of our program, that is the how to create a function for the linked list creation. For that we will take the same prototype like node star create and in bracket integer we can take it the whole parameter name. Now as we had declared the head node, we have to take some dummy nodes to handle our list, so we will take them as node star, we can take it as a small head node. Then for handling the further, we will take a p as a dummy node, then integer I for the for loop handling. Then we had knowledge about the when we have to take any new node, we have to allocate memory, then assign the data element and make it as a next pointer null. So we will accept the memory like head equals to node star malloc size of node. Then we will accept the data element like scanf %d ampersand head pointer data. Now we will declare the next pointer as a null, means head pointer next equals to null. Now we have to take one dummy node to handle the further nodes, so we will create it as a p equals to head node. Now till now we had created a single node, we have to create the multiple n nodes. We will see them one by one. For that we have to take a for loop, means for I equals to 1, I less than n and I plus plus. Here we will accept the memory, means for a next node p pointer next equals to node star malloc size of node. Then we will shift it to the next, means p equals to p pointer next. Now head is pointing to here and p is pointing to the next node. Now we accept the memory for it, that is scanf %d ampersand p pointer data, and we will make the next pointer as a null pointer. And here we are completing the for loop. Now we have to return this head, because when we have to accept, process, insert, delete any list, we have to go through the head node. So we are returning here the head pointer for the further processing. Now as it is the head, means node pointer data, so we had declared here the return type of our create function, that is the node. Now we are here completing our main create function. So this is all about how to write any simple linked list program using a specific create function.